needed to get a shot of this. See this yellow digger. In my country that's called a JCB, right? And my brother works at Caterpillar, and they're not called JCBs at Caterpillar. They're called a backhoe. Oh. Yeah, don't make that mistake. There was a time I worked at British Sugar and asked for Demerara sugar. They all went, oh. It turned up like 15 types of sugar. No brown sugar? Brown sugar comes from sugar cane. Yeah? Which comes from the Caribbean. Yeah? That's not us. We're British Sugar, and we make white sugar from sugar beet. Okay. It's my first day. I didn't know. See, I think pancakes are quite... Are they going down well? Are they being eaten? What do you think? I think they're watching that seagull. Do you see that? See, they're trying a little bit. Oh, steady on, fellas. I've also got everyone's favourite spring roll. See, they don't like the sound of the plastic packaging, do they? Excuse me, just trying to tuck it out of the way without making a lot of noise. Fellas? Everyone loves spring roll. It's like everyone loves pastry. Don't let the seagull get it. What are these guys doing over here? Are they on the peanuts still? Go on, go on, go on, go on. Have a look. See what you think. Oh, I just chickened out. Are you deciding? Go on, have a look, have a look. Left holding. Oh, dude. You there. Oh, look at that. From under your very beak. So that's rubbish. What else have we got? Some more pancake? Do you think? I haven't gone for the coronation chicken yet. Backwards. So how come Seagull Billy No Mates is left on his own then? There's 3 of them. We must have had 15 or 20 last week. Come on, have a look, have a look. What do you think? Okay, what do you think? Can you eat that? I've got lots of it, if you can eat it. Let's deploy a scone for the seagull. Oh, terrible crinkly noises. Come on. If I just crunch it up, do you think that will... Because I'm kind of thinking they can have a whole one if they eat this. Oh, it's got it. It's got some. See, I don't think they're aware of scones yet. Unless someone else has been feeding them scones. Seagull got the scone. Oh, I think he crumbled it in the beak and lost it. Oh, look, look. I think they go for scones, don't they? Give him another one. I was even in a butt room and I was like, I wouldn't lay him down, weigh him down with too many calories. I could do. If they're like this, I could put some coronation chicken in. It's a bit dry without butter, but... Oh, seagull got some. That's good. Go on. Oh, see? It's got a consistency that seagull can't pick up. Give it a big bit then. Can get the big bit, seagull. Oh, you land. Got it. Got it. Look at that. Safety seagull. I don't think you can eat that on the wing. Let's go and see the next one.